I swear, every time he heard someone in heels walking down the hall, his heart stopped.
Harry, it's so much more complicated than you can imagine.
I know it is, and you have every right to never call him, but I'm a big pile of love today, and I feel bad for the guy. He said he's been writing you, but you never responded.
No, he's never written to me.
He said he wrote because he didn't have your phone number.
No. No, he's never written. Ever.
Then why would he say he had?